everybody. It's Christina this time from jkstayinvegas. And here we are, Fontainebleau, and we have a special treat for you today. We are in the Royal King Suite. So it's a different room than Jeff showed you. So let me take you on a tour of this beautiful room here at the Fontainebleau. So like any tour, let's start at the front door. And here we wanted to show you all the controls for this room. You can have your modern day do not disturb, so no sign, you can have privacy. You can call here for service. And down here are all of your lighting controls. So our first stop on your tour is the bathroom. Just like any hotel room, the bathroom is always the first thing that you're going to see. Now it's rather small, but we'll talk about that later because there's a reason that it's this small. Now here we are in your bar area. It's great for entertaining because they equip this bar with everything you need. I love the smoke mirrors. I love all the contemporary design and elements in here. This is all empty, just so you know there's no secret this or that comes with it. And check it out, really nice soft closing doors. And over here you have the door that opens with what you need for a bar. You've got your glasses, your corkscrew, your little stairs, nothing in the second drawer. And then you also have, with your little bow tie elements there, a refrigerator. So if you have your leftovers, anything that you want to put in the refrigerator, it's down here. And here, I know it's not a big deal, you guys, but you have your sink, and you have a faucet like home. Moving on, you have your snacks here. I will say, since we tried a few things because we were hungry, these are really good. And just remember, don't move anything here unless you want to buy it. You have your little QR code here, so scan that with your phone. It brings up the menu of what everything costs in your little mini bar here. Over here, you even have a pamphlet that gives you all the information of everything you'd want to know what's going on here. The pool, the restaurants, everything and anything that you want to know is in that pamphlet. And another thing that they have here that I really like are coffee table books. But this is the one that caught my eye, is the history of Fontainebleau. And you know we love our history, and we've actually gone over some of the history of Fontainebleau. There's a lot of pictures of Frank Sinatra, Jerry Lewis, all of that in here. So make sure that I know you're not gonna read it while you're here, but at least flip through it and check out all the pictures. Very, very cool. So you may be saying, well, that's great, Christina. You showed us the bathroom, the bar, this living room. Where am I supposed to sleep? On this little tiny couch? Right behind me is a secret door, and we're gonna go through it. So here is what's behind the door, your King Suite. This room is so, you have that whole front area, and then you come in here and you have this whole bedroom that we're going to take a little tour of. On this side of the bed, you have all your controls here that control the drapes, the lights, everything that you need is right here next to you when you're laying in bed. Same with the other side, you don't have to get up, all right here for you. And now, for this beautiful bathroom, let's go inside. You have your shower here. Of course, they've got the Fontainebleau, beautiful soft Fontainebleau robe hanging up here. And the shower also includes a bench. Now, aside from the shower, this is everything. Look at this bathtub. I live for baths. Jeff fit in this bathtub. He's 6 feet tall. Okay, ladies, this is really nice. You have a vanity in this bathroom. You have the full mirror. Then you also have the mirror that is magnified, regular, up close. It's lighted. It's perfect. This whole thing is perfect for putting on makeup. And you know how we are when it comes to makeup and lighting. So this is fantastic. When you have a suite here, you get the little extra touches. A very nice little ensemble that you don't get in the other room. So here you have a shaver, You have shaving cream, toothbrush. That's all different, and it's very, very, I would say it's luxurious that they are putting that in the bathroom for you. And one last thing, just for privacy over here, your little toilet room, so you can take care of business in this room privately. And then you have this little area, of course, in front of the bed with a nice TV, nice size TV, all your storage in here, more clothes, shoes, whatever. And then you have a couch. Look at that view. It'll only get better the darker that it gets. And here we have the closet. Yay! Now, this is no different than anything Jeff showed you in the other video. Nothing different with the closet, except it comes with a lint roller and a shoe polisher, which I think is nice for going to restaurants and all that if you just want to touch up your shoes real quick. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this tour of the Royal Suite here at Fontainebleau with the strip view. Let us know what you think in the comments. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, because it really, really does help our channel. And turn on those bell notifications. And as always, stay safe and stay silly. Bye everybody.